I'm here to talk about our PD900DW whole home air purification system. It's a 5-stage process on it, and I'm here to explain how it works. So our system can be either duct mounted right onto the return air of your mechanical system in your home, or it can be utilized by using 8-inch flex duct on the top and the bottom of it. So if you don't have the space on the actual return area mechanical system, it can be put in a location in the mechanical room, but it can be also vented in through our 5-stage process. I'm going to explain how the 5-stage process works here. So we start with our first filter on our system, which is our carbon filter. The carbon filter is usually good for about 3 to 6 months. We want you to inspect it every 3 to 6 months. It protects our second filtration unit, which is our medical grade HEPA 99.97% certified filter. Our third process will be on our unit here is our 2 Philips implosive bulbs, okay? They do come with a pair of gloves, so when you do install it onto your system or have to replace it, make sure you use the gloves to protect it, to not get in your natural oils and causing heat spots onto the lamps. The 2 UVC bulbs implosive actually activate our Photo Catalytic Oxidation filter, which is our 4th filtration process on the system. Our final stage is our carbon potassium permanganate filter. Now that's your full process going through here. Again, it starts from the top, 5-stage process filtration back into the return air of your home. This unit itself actually is equipped with a German-made motor. It's the only component in our system that is made outside of Canada. 100% Canadian-made product, German technology, German fan motor, bulletproof. You can spin it by hand, no power to that thing, and it's still running. The actual replacement of the actual filter is the way it works here. I'll explain to you is the carbon filter itself. Every filter actually has a date written on it and an expectancy of how long they will actually last. So 3 to 6 months, you want to inspect it. If it's really dirty, replace it. This protects our second filter, which is our 99.97% HEPA filtration. Again, there's dates on it every 2 to 3 years under normal conditions. So keep an eye on that. Pre-filter will protect the actual HEPA filtration unit, okay? More durable, lasts a little bit longer. Our UVC bulbs are good again for every 2 to 3 years. Not an issue with them. We see them go for 3 years, no problem. Our Photo Catalytic Oxidation filter, this will last probably about 3 to 4 years as well too, okay? And it's activated by our PCO filter. Final stage is our carbon potassium permanganate filter. That's about every year, year and a half that you want to replace this filter. Again, they all have arrows on them direction. They have the dates when you should be checking it, and replace filter every year. It tells you right on it. You can write the dates on them, that way you don't forget. Put them into your phone as a reminder as well. And what we keep talking about is air purification. Is what's important is we spend 90% of our time indoors. We've become an indoor generation. And we talk about filtration processes here. We talk about filtering dust mites, mold, bacteria, viruses, VOCs, radon, chemicals, smoke, pet dander, pollen, and formaldehyde. These are just some of the things that I bring to your attention that our units do filter. At the end of the day, we need to be equally concerned about air. Everyone talks about what food we eat, eating healthy food, drinking purified water. What about the air we breathe? The 3 important elements in survival and maintaining good, healthy lifestyle. We also talk about symptoms of poor air quality. So asthma is one of the biggest things. We know a lot of people suffer from asthma. The units do help control asthma on a lot of people. Itchy eyes, fatigue, depression, sneezing, sleeping issues, skin conditions. I heard a lot of feedback from people talking about within 3 to 4, 5, 6 hours of a unit in operation, they feel the difference in the air quality in their homes, the way they feel, the way they wake up the next day.